So today I'm going to show you how we can upgrade the tech in your VF Commodore using a solution from Kenwood and iDatalink Maestro. This solution is going to upgrade the tech without losing that factory look of the vehicle and also without losing important factory features. But first, let me explain why upgrading the infotainment system in a VF Commodore is no simple task. The factory MyLink system in the VF Commodore isn't just a simple radio. It's actually the central hub that controls so much of the vehicle. Things like infotainment controls, climate control display, your heated seats, heads-up display, and steering wheel controls. But also, built into the MyLink system are many menus that control important factory features of the vehicle. In addition, there's so many other safety features that need to be retained. Things like the factory reverse camera with its moving guidelines, optical park sensors, as well as cross-traffic alert. And for some sports models, there's even settings within the MyLink system that allow you to turn on and off the bimodal exhaust system. Now let me show you what you retain and what you gain when using the iDatalink Maestro Apex solution. Firstly, because we're not replacing any of the dash panels on this vehicle, we're able to retain the factory infotainment controls along with the steering wheel controls. Climate control settings are also displayed on the Kenwood unit using nice widgets for fan speed and temperature adjustments, and clear display of all other climate control functions are shown when adjusted. For vehicles with the factory heated seats, we retain the use of the buttons that control them and show the adjustments on the screen. For vehicles with the factory Bose amplified audio system, this is fully retained with the iDatalink Maestro Apex solution. The factory reverse camera is retained along with the lines that move as you turn the steering wheel. And the display of the front and rear park sensors are nicely overlaid over the camera image. And we also retain the cross-traffic system alerts. For vehicles with a heads-up display, we continue to show the phone number of an incoming call, along with radio and song title information. But as we mentioned earlier, there are many menus in the factory MyLink system that control important safety and convenience functions. These are all retained and able to be adjusted through the Kenwood menus. But it doesn't stop there with iDatalink Maestro solutions. We also add additional features that weren't in the vehicle already. We have a vehicle information screen that shows the current tyre pressures in PSI, provides door open warnings, and it even allows you to view any engine codes and clear them if it's safe to do so. There is also a gauges feature that has 2 pages of vehicle data including our track pack information with 0 to 60 times and much more. Now let's show you the features of the Kenwood DAX 8000 XDS direct replacement unit. Of course, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, giving you access to your maps and music apps seamlessly. When you get into the car, the system will automatically connect to your phone without the need for any cables. There is also a nice split screen mode for CarPlay users that allows other functions to be displayed on the left side of the screen. The Kenwood DAX 8000 XDS is loaded with features, including USB, HDMI input, AV input, and digital radio that can be used with an optional antenna. Plus, this unit has a crystal clear, high-definition screen, and the audio quality is phenomenal. So I hope you've enjoyed our demonstration of the iDatalink Maestro Apex solution for VF Commodore today. But if you do have any other questions, or if you'd like to find an iDatalink Maestro dealer near you, please visit our website at www.idataLinkMaestro.com.au. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for further updates.